Keycard. No. Oh. 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 Wait. Wait, what do I do? Surely that can't be good. Wait. Hold up. Chill. Hey, wait, what do I do? Hey everybody. So today we are playing Garten of Banban. It's the game made by the Euphoric Brothers, and there's multiple versions out. So I think it goes up to, I think they're making the fourth one right now. I'm not too sure what the game is entirely about, so let's just get straight into it. All right. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Interesting. That's weird. Closing hours. Just like a PNG file. Okay. Let me just check. It looks fine. E to interact. Okay. Ooh. Some sort of thing there. I can knock over distraction. Okay. Bunch of green guy. Cool. Alright. Where do we go here? Jumbo Jaw says, eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. Okay. Here's the cafeteria. Stinger Flynn says, having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. Straight up of him. Okay, create. Can we press this? Can I press E on it? Okay, I got the key card. Ooh, a drone. Okay, grab this. Okay, press. The remote requires 2 batteries. Okay. Dear mommy, I'm hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. What? Okay, can I exit out this? Okay. So we have to find 2 batteries, I guess. Go to distraction. Of course. Okay. Where would we... Oh, wait, what is this? There's one... Oh, I see the other one. Okay, cool. Nice. Now we have both. Oh, the drone's on. Okay. How do I use you? Hello? I'm pressing like everything. Oh, there you go. Left mouse button. Oh. Okay. Press right mouse and to teleport the toy to the nearest room. Controls can be accessed anytime in the pause menu. Okay. Why didn't the door open? What? The hell is that? I guess it's that bird? Drone, go! I choose you! Go attack it. Okay. I guess we just walk forward. Okay. Wait, why can I not walk in here? Oh, it's class. Okay. Can you go in here? Banban said, like, toys cannot be directly commanded to breakable materials such as yellow glass. Okay. Banban says, sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine. You know, fair enough. I've had a lot of organs before, honestly. I don't know how that correlates, but hey. Okay, drone, come here. Come on. Can you... Do I have to bring you all the way over here? Hello? Come here. What the hell? What's wrong? My mouse just moved. Alright, come here. Okay. Now over here. It's a lot of work just to get around like a 4x4 space. Alright, come on, press the button. What? You can break it. Come on. Okay, I'm just stupid. Takes a real... Okay, I guess you can just break it. Takes a long time for... Oh, I can jump. Okay, sprint. Okay, I can sprint as well. You press it? Can you not press this? Just wasting my time for... Can't press this button? Okay, that's cool. Great. Captain failed... I'm not saying that. Yeah. That's, yeah. Oh, cool. Playground. Okay. Oh, great. Oh, a slide. We can't go down the slides. Okay. I guess I can't. Anything down here? Ooh, something down here. What'd that do? I don't know what that did. Good on this one. What's this? Ball pit closed. I assume that's what's over here. Okay, we need something. Pillow bird mission. A pillow bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prizes. Isn't that just cannibalism? This looks like something out of, like, Spore. If you know what that game is. Well, I guess we just gotta collect 6 eggs. I think I saw some earlier. I think I saw, yeah, one's over here. Okay. Oh, no. Bring a friend day stickers. Caution. Peel slowly. Okay. I didn't even get to peel it. Yeah, if I right click, does it teleport to me? Where's my drone? Hello? Oh, it's right there. Alright, cool. Anything? Okay, nice. Might as well get it to start pressing buttons. Takes a while for the drone to move, to be honest. Okay, there's one. How many is that? I think 4 now. Oh, there's another one. Just need one more after this, I think. I didn't see any on... Is it... Maybe it's in the tree trunk. Nope. Okay. Maybe... I didn't think I saw one up the park. Could be wrong, though. Oh, yeah, right here. I think that's all 6. I think I just feed that to you, even though you're just moving earlier. Oh. Oh, that's pressed. Is there another switch I have to press? I don't think so. Fun. Take your eggs. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Is that... Got a yellow key card. Oh, I can use that over there. That probably activates the button, I think. Oh, what's this? Bambolina says, kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Oh, if only. I didn't even notice that. The end is near. Hey, come here. Here, pass. Oh, yeah. Nice. Come on. Hurry up. Putting you to work here. Fun. I assume this opens this. Yeah, this door didn't open. Another note. Distraction at 1. Okay. Don't know what that means. Is that me or just this room got darker? I don't know. It was just the dark plain glass. Okay. I can use this hammer to get into here now. The ball pit. Oop. I did track and field. Let's go. Apila Bird says, laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. Okay. Press this. This. What was my color? Oh, wait, over there. Okay. I didn't even see that. Okay. Chair. Okay. Get my drone over here, just in case I need him. Okay. Let's go. Probably like a mini game, I guess. Can I get off? What? Why would you... What's that? Why would you put an invisible wall there? E to be reincarnated. Okay. Oh, it just spawned me on this side. Alright, cool. What was this? I don't know what that means. No. I alone. I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone had party without me. Miss Mason see me but go. I'm scared because hole is loud and my friends scream, but bird is funny. Bird is funny. What was my color? What? Hmm? Oh, okay. I get it. The guy was green. The girl one was it white or pink? White. I think you were red. You were orange. You were pink, because it's over there. And you... I don't remember. I'm just gonna scroll through every single one. Cool. Keycard. No. Oh. Wait, what do I do? Surely that can't be good. Wait. Hold up. Chill. Hey, wait, what do I do? On. Please press it. Yo! Press. Go, 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 go! Yo! Oh my god. What did I get stuck on? Was it the, wait, was it the boars from earlier? Were they still there? I didn't see any. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, that's actually like horrifying. Jerome, come here so it's like ready. That's actually horrifying. Holy. They give you like the last second. Okay, you stay back a bit. You got some freaky eyes. Hurry this, please speed this up. Please. Please, chill. Why do you get so close straight away? Go. Go. See, there's nothing here. What do I do? What do I do? What? Am I lost? What am I doing wrong? Dude, what? Am I supposed to wait? Can I turn this off? No, I can't even go over there. What is this? Oh, you were... Dude, this is actually weird. Come on. Go, press the button. Oh my god. I completely forgot about that. Holy sh... Oh my god. I feel like I can crawl back up. Holy crap. That's actually like... Alright, we have the purple one now. Wait, no? Oh no, it was the orange one. Oh, boarding pass. Butman, Adam, Montreal, ZT. We have okay, just a plane pass. Okay. Can't activate that. What do we do with the boarding pass? Is there anything else to do here? Just make sure I don't miss anything. Okay. Okay. Just go back to the start then. Yeah, can't open that. Okay. See if there's anything I can use with this. Oh, what's this? This definitely wasn't here before. What's this supposed to be? Like, I guess like amusement park kind of place? Or like a daycare? What the? Sure. Cool. Really don't know where to go after this. These don't open. There's nothing here. There's something new in here. Power's not on, so I guess that's why that door isn't opening. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know where to go. Unless I missed something in here, which could be the case. Okay. Let's go back in here. Can't use the boarding pass on that. Can't press that either. Oh, of course, in here. So stupid. Okay, nice. What does that do? Oh, this. Okay. Makes sense. It's like the end, like the abyss is staring at you. Okay. Oh, elevator. Ooh. Let me on. Oop. Let's go. Seems like a really shady elevator. Are we going down till we're like... Okay, I see the bird. I don't know if that's intentional or not, but... Okay, makes sense. How was that? Oh. Is that, Jumbo Josh? Okay. 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 Just sent me down to four-door. Wherever. Okay. Okay. Well, that's the end of the first game. I will probably make another video playing, obviously, Garten of Banban 2. So, you can look forward to that. But for now, it's a pretty short video, but hey, if you like what you saw, like and subscribe, and peace out. See ya.